Hey everybody, we're back here in WEGS Garage. Today we're going to be starting with a little more the same as our last time. We're going to be putting in the passenger side door window this time. And then we'll be moving on to the interior door latch mechanisms and just see where the day takes us. So stick around, should be fun. Alright, so you can see we got the window in here. We are running into a little bit of an issue here. The angle that we were working on before is pretty good on this side. That's the front edge of the glass to the windscreen. That looks good with our new glass. The problem we're running into now is a little angle in this direction. It's almost like the window is tilted too far in towards the windscreen, and what's happening as a result is that the glass is hitting the seal before it's able to close. So in order to roll the window up, you pretty much would have to push the glass over while you're rolling up, which I would imagine is not what we want here. So we have tried about 1,000 different combinations of shims and washers and different things on the guides to try and get this sorted out. But so far we just, I don't know, something is just a little bit off and we just aren't getting it. So, man, I literally have no idea what we're going to do right now. What we're going to do right now is go have a sandwich or something and think about it. So, anyway, we'll be back.
Is that fun down there?
Yeah, this is a comfortable way to sit in the car. Give it a shot. Good.
So are we gonna need a chain to pull you out?
Yeah, you might want to send help. Call the paramedics. After a very frustrating bunch of hours, we found nothing we could do with shims or any of that kind of stuff fix the angle. So what we found is we took the tracks out, the window channel tracks, and we adjusted the little plastic guides at the top a little bit to kind of kick the window a certain direction. And actually the one in the rear here was pretty loose, so it wasn't probably helping us too much. So we got those tightened up, just used a channel lock to push the little plastic guides together, And that has really done the trick. So if you find yourself in the same situation as us, hopefully you see this video first. And adjust your plastic guides. Nothing else is going to work. Anyway, now we can get our window put in for good. Let's do this. Alright, well, after all that, I guess that's all we got time for today. We got our window on the passenger side totally installed. Had a lot of issues with that, but in the end prevailed, and next time we should be ready to go. We do have all the hardware and everything we need to get our door panels on and finish up the interior, so we'll be moving on to that shortly. If you like the video, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, do all that YouTube-y stuff for us. It helps us out a whole lot, so thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time. Later!
Turn that thing off.